We're switching now to the launch. So he's grabbed the VIN. This is North America. This is confirmed. Good type. B16. Yep. Okay. We can do anti-theft, not anti-theft, and go. It's communicating. So after replacing or installing operation, we're not performing queue registration. This is after installing. Replace BCM. And continue. Okay, the code is A6253, just like what we obtained from the MPV. Okay, immobilizer pin is A6253, and then input the immobilizer code pin for initialization into the following input column. Immobilizer code pin for initialization. Okay, old password is 8526. Let's write those down. Old passcode is 8526, and new is now 5996, and we're using A6253 as our pin. Okay, press OK to continue. Immobilizer 4-digit pin for initializing into the input column. That will be 5996, right? Let's go to number 5996. Okay, according to the following procedure: insert key into the ignition cylinder and turn ignition switch to the on position. After performing this operation, the system automatically proceed to initialization ECU. Okay. All right. And it says perform the registration operation according to the following. Number 1, remove inserted ignition key from ignition cylinder, and 2, insert unregistered ignition key into the ignition key cylinder, turn the ignition switch to the on position, and then wait for 5 seconds or more. Check that security indicator blinks 5 times. Turn the ignition switch to the off position, remove ignition key, and then wait for 3 seconds or more. A maximum of 5 ignition keys can be done. Registered by repeating procedure from step 2 to step 4 using unregistered ignition keys. Touch next to end key registration. So we are going to turn this off, remove the key, put the key back in, turn it on, make sure that security light is on, wait 5 seconds or more, and check that the security light blinks 5. Turn the switch to the off position and then wait. All right, so we want access to the security light, so here we go. I'll bring this over here. Now let's turn this off, put the new key in, and turn the ignition to the on position. Security light blinks 5 times. Turn it on, turn it off, and wait 3 seconds, and then remove it. Check the security blinks at intervals of approximately 3 seconds. Where's the security light? So, okay. Operate according to the following. Check that each of all registered key can start the engine. All right. Okay, pull that out. It starts the engine. That's it. and there is no security light indicator. Okay, and we're done. That is just how the launch Torque 431 programs the key for the Nissan Sentra. Thank you for watching. If this has been helpful to you, please like or subscribe, and please do me a favor and subscribe. I have many more of these to post. Thank you.